Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada Tooltip element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Avada Tooltip element is a very simple element for adding tooltips to any of your text content. The Tooltip element is an inline element, which means it's not meant to be used on its own, but in conjunction with other elements. For more info on inline elements, please see the link below the video. To add an inline element, you use the inline editor, which appears when you select some text in the builder. For this example, I'm going to add a tooltip element to this line of text here on the lifestyle prebuilt. I'll just select the line of text, and from the inline editor, I'll click the plus icon at the end. This brings up all the inline elements I can add, and I'll choose tooltip from this list. We can see it's a very simple element with only a few options. First up is the tooltip title. This is the actual content of the tooltip that will display when it's active. I'm going to paste a reminder in here to subscribe to the newsletter that is shown at the bottom of this column. Triggering content is the next field, and this is the text we have selected when we added the element. You could add or edit it here if needed. Below this is the usual CSS class and CSS ID options for further customization with custom CSS. Then there's the Design tab. This is equally simple. The two options are the tooltip position, and in this case I'm going to place the tooltip to the right, and the tooltip trigger action, and I'm going to leave this on hover. You can see the text with the tooltip has taken the primary color of the site, which signals to the user that something is active there. If you want to edit or remove your tooltip, just mouse over it and right click. There you will find options to edit, delete, or reset the element. I will just use Shift plus P to go into preview mode, and we can see the tooltip appear to the right of the text. That's it, a simple and effective element to add small reminders or calls to action. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.